Today we are showing how do we test our CNC pipe bending machine. Firstly, we test one pipe with manual mode to see if there are wrinkles on the pipe or any other problems. Secondly, we set program according to product and run auto mode without pipe to check the program. After checking program, we load pipe and start pipe bending with auto mode.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more